It's around November the 30th. It's Saturday morning after all the floods, and I've just woke up to an absolutely gorgeous morning. So let's have a view. And yeah, it looks as though there's snow on the tops. Reflection in the lake, Derwent. Ooh, there's Jack pulling. Glorious morning. It's actually not too chilly. Wow, this is the stillest that Lake Derwent has been. Wow. The reflection's absolutely beautiful. Still a bit flooded, but as you see, it's not as bad as what it began. And Jack's got himself caught on the other side of the fence somehow. He wants to go for another walk, does he? We can actually see the path. Oh, he sat down. He's just wondering how he's got caught. But yeah, that view's absolutely spectacular. Wow. Is it November the 30th or something like that anyway? Lost track of time. Wow. There's our house. That was stern.